As a thank you for 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to host a giveaway over the next week that you can enter totally for free. There will be 10 separate winners who get the chance to get access to some of my favorite print-on-demand tools such as My Designs, Flying Upload, Flying Research, and Kittle. You can also win a copy of my 100 print-on-demand prompt guide and my 100 Scalable Niches spreadsheet. Some of you can also win a personal one-on-one coaching session with me or get access to my trademark or niche research courses. But before I break down the prizes in more detail, you need to know two important things. First of all, there is going to be freebies for everyone watching this video, whether you want to enter the giveaway or not. And I will also quickly show you how to actually enter the giveaway. But first of all, what are the freebies? So 2 of them will be on my website, and it will be a PDF file for seasonal reoccurring holiday trends or niches. So check that one out if you want to stay ahead of the curve and see what's coming up in the future or in the upcoming months. Then you can also download a 100 silhouette bundle from my website. You will get access to a lot of different silhouettes that you can use within your designs for commercial purposes. And the third freebie that I've been working on is a 1000 Evergreen Niches spreadsheet, which you will be able to download if you sign up to my email newsletter. So that one is exclusive to the newsletter, so you need to sign up. If you've already signed up to the newsletter, don't worry, I will send out the spreadsheet to you via email, or I might have already sent it out yesterday, depending on what time you watch it. So check your inbox. If you're not signed up yet, if you're not subscribed to the newsletter, sign up to it. You will get a welcome email, and there will be a link to this 100 Evergreen Niche spreadsheet in there. Now on to the second point, how do you enter the actual giveaway? Well, there will be a link at the very top of the description. If you click on that, you will land on a page that has multiple steps or multiple options to enter. Now, you only have to do one of these steps to actually be part of the draw. You don't have to complete all of them, don't worry. However, the more steps you complete, the more entries you get to the giveaway and the higher the chances. But still, one entry is enough to be in the draw. So let's talk about the prizes that are included in this giveaway. First of all, every single one of the 10 winners is going to get access to 2 of my digital downloads. The first one being my 100 print-on-demand prompt guide. This holds a ton of really good and useful prompts for lots of different t-shirt design styles, and it works especially well with ideogram and flux. On top of that, each winner will also get a copy of my 100 Scalable Niches spreadsheet, which holds a lot of scalable phrases that you can apply to thousands of niches very easily. On top of that, 3 lucky winners are going to get access to my niche research masterclass, as well as an annual license to Flying Research. 2 winners are going to get access to my trademark course and an annual subscription of Flying Upload on top of that as well. 1 person is going to win a Kittle Pro plan for an entire year for free, as well as My Designs Pro Plus, so an annual license of the top My Designs subscription. And then the remaining 4 winners are going to get a free coaching call with me personally, one-on-one, as well as an annual license of My Designs Pro. If you're not sure what any of the tools are that I just mentioned, they will all be linked in the description down below, and they all offer a free trial as well. To give you a quick summary, Flying Research is one of the most advanced research tools out there. They have a lot of features, some of which are very innovative, combining AI with research and keyword data. Flying Upload has been my upload automation tool of choice to publish designs to over 10 marketplaces, whilst My Designs is the most advanced option to publish your designs to Etsy in bulk and also automate a lot of the processes such as mockup generation, listing SEO, and things like personalization. Kittle is a really advanced design tool that's perfect for print-on-demand sellers because it combines a lot of AI functionality with amazing templates and text effects. And if you're looking to find out more about the digital downloads that I mentioned, as well as my courses and coaching sessions, all of those will be linked below as well. The giveaway is going to run for about a week from the time this video goes live, so make sure to enter it until the 25th of August, which is a Sunday. I will announce the winners on this YouTube page, and then I will reach out to everyone via email. Massive thank you goes out to all of the sponsors who kindly contributed the different licenses to this giveaway, and best of luck to you. I hope you win something, and if not, I'll probably run another giveaway in the future as well. Thank you very much for subscribing and helping me reach 100K. I can't wait to share more tutorials and advice with you, and I'll see you in the next video.